Imagine sunlight filtering through an open lattice, casting dancing shadows across warm stone or rich wood. Picture yourself stepping from your home onto a patio bathed in natural light, yet gently shaded, a seamless transition between indoor comfort and the refreshing embrace of the outdoors. This evocative imagery captures the essence of the modern outdoor living space, a realm where relaxation, entertainment, and connection with nature converge. The desire to extend our homes beyond their walls has never been stronger, and at the heart of this outdoor revolution lies the patio, the foundational stage for creating personalized havens just beyond our doorsteps. The patio is no longer merely a paved area. It has evolved into a true extension of the home, a vital room without a roof. We seek to blur the lines between interior and exterior, designing outdoor spaces with the same thoughtfulness and intention we apply to our living rooms and kitchens. This desire for harmonious flow demands careful consideration of every element, from comfortable furniture and ambient lighting to integrated greenery and inviting textures. The modern patio is a carefully curated environment designed to enhance our lifestyle, offering a space for quiet contemplation, lively gatherings, or simply a breath of fresh air amidst the everyday. Within this pursuit of the perfect patio, one architectural element stands out as particularly transformative: the pergola. More than just a decorative addition, the pergola acts as a defining structure, shaping the character and functionality of the entire outdoor space. It is not simply an overhead frame. It is a catalyst for design possibilities, a versatile tool that offers both aesthetic beauty and practical enhancements. Whether crafted from rustic timber, sleek metal, or modern composites, the pergola immediately establishes a visual focal point, setting the tone and style for the patio environment it shelters. Therefore, this video will explore the profound impact of the pergola on patio design and outdoor living. We will delve into how this structure, far from being a mere afterthought, becomes the central lens through which we can understand and optimize our outdoor spaces. We will examine the pergola not only as an architectural feature, but as a functional framework and a key to personalized ambience, ultimately demonstrating its vital role in creating dynamic and enriching outdoor living experiences tailored to diverse needs and aspirations. The pergola, in essence, becomes the very perspective through which we can craft truly exceptional patio designs. Imagine a patio without a pergola. It might feel like a collection of furniture adrift on a paved expanse. The pergola, however, acts as an immediate visual anchor, grounding the space and providing a sense of deliberate design. The very style of pergola chosen becomes the initial statement, setting the architectural tone for the entire patio area. A gabled pergola, for instance, might evoke a traditional, perhaps even farmhouse aesthetic, while a sleek, flat-roofed pergola immediately speaks to modern sensibilities. Arched pergolas can lend a romantic, Mediterranean feel, and cantilevered or sail-like designs introduce a more contemporary, dynamic flair. These stylistic choices are not merely decorative. They are the foundational brushstrokes that begin to paint the picture of the patio's overall character. Beyond style, the strategic placement of a pergola is crucial in shaping the functional zones within the patio. Consider an open-plan interior. Furniture arrangement dictates how we understand and use different areas. Similarly, pergolas act as architectural dividers in the outdoor realm, subtly delineating spaces for dining, lounging, cooking, or even quiet contemplation. A pergola positioned over a dining table clearly defines the eating area, creating a sense of enclosure and purpose. Another pergola placed to shade a collection of comfortable seating arrangements establishes a distinct lounge zone, inviting relaxation and conversation. In larger patios, multiple pergolas, each with a specific placement and potentially varying styles or heights, can orchestrate a series of interconnected outdoor rooms, creating a more complex and engaging spatial experience. These zones are not walled off, but rather gently suggested and visually connected by the overarching pergola framework, fostering a sense of flow and intentionality. The materials from which a pergola is constructed further contribute to its architectural presence and its dialogue with the surrounding environment. The robust warmth of natural wood brings an organic texture and a sense of timelessness, often harmonizing beautifully with natural landscapes and more traditional home styles. In contrast, the clean lines and cool tones of metal pergolas, particularly aluminum or steel, project a contemporary and often more minimalist aesthetic, pairing well with modern architecture and offering a sense of industrial chic. Composite materials provide a versatile middle ground, often mimicking the look of wood or metal with increased durability and lower maintenance, allowing for flexibility in design expression. The choice of material is not just a practical consideration of longevity and upkeep. It is a deliberate architectural decision that impacts the pergola's visual weight, its tactile quality, and its overall contribution to the patio's stylistic narrative. The scale and proportion of the pergola are paramount in establishing its role as an architectural anchor. A pergola that is undersized for a large patio can feel lost and insignificant, failing to provide the intended spatial definition. Conversely, an overly massive pergola in a smaller patio can feel oppressive and out of scale, overwhelming the space and diminishing the sense of openness. The height, width, and depth of the pergola, as well as the thickness of its beams and posts, must be carefully considered in relation to the patio's dimensions and the surrounding landscape. A well-proportioned pergola feels inherently balanced and harmonious, contributing to a sense of visual order and tranquility. It becomes an integral part of the patio's architecture, not merely an add-on, anchoring the design both visually and spatially, and setting the stage for all other elements within the outdoor living area. Beyond their visual appeal, pergolas are fundamentally about improving the outdoor living experience through purposeful design features. One of the most immediate and appreciated functional benefits is shade and light control. Direct sunlight can render a patio sweltering and uncomfortable for extended periods. A pergola, however, provides a framework upon which a variety of shade solutions can be implemented. An open lattice design naturally diffuses harsh sunlight, creating dappled shade that is both cooling and visually appealing. For more substantial shade, partial coverings can be integrated, from tightly spaced slats to woven materials, offering adjustable levels of sun protection. Retractable canopies mounted within the pergola frame provide on-demand shade, allowing for a dynamic interplay between sun and shadow throughout the day. Even the strategic use of climbing plants trained to grow over the pergola creates a living canopy, offering natural, cooling shade that evolves with the seasons, demonstrating how pergolas move beyond mere structure to become active participants in regulating the patio environment. Functionality extends beyond sun protection to include weather mitigation, broadening the usability of the patio across different seasons and conditions. While pergolas are not designed for complete enclosure, they can serve as supports for partial weather protection features. For example, a solid or semi-solid roof installed atop the pergola framework can provide shelter from light rain, extending the time one can comfortably spend outdoors even when the weather is less than perfect. Windbreaks in the form of fabric screens, slatted panels, or even strategically planted hedges positioned adjacent to the pergola can reduce wind chill and create a more sheltered and comfortable microclimate within the patio space. These additions, thoughtfully integrated with the pergola's design, transform the patio from a fair-weather space to a more resilient and adaptable outdoor living area, encouraging use for more of the year. Pergolas also serve as invaluable frameworks for integrating nature into the patio environment through verticality. In urban settings or smaller yards, ground space for gardening can be limited. Pergolas address this by providing vertical surfaces for plants to climb and grow, effectively expanding the green space of the patio upwards. Trellises or wires attached to the pergola posts and beams become supports for climbing vines, flowering plants, or even espaliered fruit trees. Hanging planters suspended from the pergola structure add layers of greenery at different heights, creating a lush, three-dimensional garden within the patio itself. This vertical integration of nature not only beautifies the space but also contributes to a more refreshing and natural atmosphere, fostering a sense of tranquility and connection to the outdoors, even in constrained environments. As daylight fades, pergolas become crucial in establishing ambience and extending patio usability into the evening hours through integrated lighting. The pergola structure provides ideal mounting points for a variety of lighting options. String lights draped along beams create a festive and inviting atmosphere, perfect for evening gatherings. Spotlights discreetly positioned on posts can highlight architectural features of the pergola or illuminate specific areas of the patio, such as a dining table or pathway. Pendant lights suspended from the pergola roof add a more formal and sophisticated touch, defining spaces and providing task lighting. Integrated lighting transforms the patio from a daytime space to a welcoming and functional area for nighttime enjoyment, creating a magical ambience and extending the hours of potential outdoor living well beyond sunset, demonstrating the pergola's vital role in shaping not just the physical space, but also the temporal experience of the patio. Having established the architectural framework and functional benefits, we now consider how the pergola becomes a canvas for personal taste, allowing homeowners to transform their patio into a truly personalized outdoor paradise. The pergola, in this context, is not merely a design element. It is a reflection of personal aesthetic preferences and a statement about the desired lifestyle the patio is intended to support. Whether one leans towards the clean lines of modern design, the rustic charm of farmhouse style, the relaxed elegance of coastal living, or the vibrant colors of Mediterranean influences, the pergola can be styled and adorned to perfectly embody these themes. The choice of pergola style, material, finish, and accompanying decor directly communicates the homeowner's personality and creates a cohesive stylistic narrative for the entire outdoor living area. Beyond broad style categories, the pergola is instrumental in shaping the specific mood and atmosphere of the patio, transforming it into a space that evokes a desired feeling. Imagine a pergola draped in soft, flowing fabrics, adorned with comfortable cushions in muted tones, and softly illuminated by warm string lights. This setup immediately creates an atmosphere of relaxation and tranquility, ideal for quiet evenings and intimate conversations. Conversely, a pergola surrounding a robust outdoor kitchen and dining area, perhaps with bolder colors and more structured seating, projects an ambience of lively entertainment and social gatherings. The careful selection of textiles, furniture styles, accessories like lanterns and candles, and the strategic use of plants and flowers within and around the pergola-defined space, all contribute to crafting a specific emotional tone for the patio, turning it into more than just an outdoor area, but a curated experience. Furthermore, pergolas are strategically employed to manipulate perspectives and privacy, enhancing the patio's sense of sanctuary and connection to its surroundings. A pergola can be positioned and designed to purposefully frame desirable views, drawing the eye towards a garden vista, a distant landscape, or even a carefully curated focal point within the patio itself, like a water feature or sculpture. Conversely, pergolas can also be used to create privacy, strategically blocking unwanted views of neighbors, street traffic, or less appealing areas. This can be achieved through solid or semi-solid pergola walls, the use of screens or lattice panels attached to the structure, or the strategic planting of dense foliage around the pergola's perimeter. By carefully considering sightlines and using the pergola as a visual filter, homeowners can sculpt the patio experience, directing attention where desired and creating a more secluded and intimate outdoor retreat. The pergola facilitates a seamless transition between the interior style of the home and the exterior living space, fostering a cohesive and unified design aesthetic. By mirroring design elements from the home's interior, perhaps repeating architectural details, echoing color palettes, or utilizing similar materials, the pergola helps to visually and stylistically bridge the gap between indoors and out. This continuity creates a sense of harmony and flow, making the patio feel like a natural extension of the home, rather than a separate and disconnected entity. The pergola, therefore, becomes a key element in blurring the boundaries between indoor and outdoor living, allowing homeowners to truly extend their personal style and create a cohesive and enriching living environment that seamlessly integrates both realms, crafting a personalized paradise just beyond their doorstep. In conclusion, we have explored the multifaceted role of the pergola in shaping exceptional patio designs, viewing it through three distinct yet interconnected perspectives. Firstly, we recognize the pergola as an architectural anchor, a foundational element that defines spatial zones and establishes visual structure within the outdoor environment, setting the stylistic tone from the ground up. Secondly, we uncovered the pergola as a functional framework, a practical structure that enhances outdoor living through shade and weather mitigation, vertical gardening possibilities, and integrated lighting, significantly improving the comfort and usability of the patio. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, we celebrated the pergola as a key to personalized paradises, a transformative element that allows for the expression of individual style, the creation of specific ambiances, and the crafting of intimate, view-focused, and truly personalized outdoor retreats. Therefore, as you consider your own outdoor aspirations and the potential of your patio space, we encourage you to embrace the transformative power of the pergola. Envision how this architectural element, with its myriad possibilities, can become the cornerstone of your own personalized outdoor sanctuary. Imagine the dappled sunlight filtering through the beams, the gentle shade providing respite, the ambience of soft lighting illuminating evening gatherings, and the overall sense of style and tranquility it brings to your home. Let the pergola be your perspective, your guiding framework, as you embark on the journey of creating a patio that is not just a space, but a true extension of your life, a personalized paradise waiting just beyond your door.